Okay, we're going to go on a quick test drive here. We have 91,228 miles on the odometer. Now the flickering that you see here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. The interior on this car is incredibly clean. I said it before, but you would never know it had the miles that it does. They definitely took care of this car. Very little wear everywhere. Still have beautiful matte finish on stuff. Seats are super comfy. Absolutely gorgeous car. Typical Lexus fashion, that transmission is buttery smooth. Really, really nice, and I am in sport mode. Got a great turning radius. Alignment's perfect, steering wheel's perfectly straight, doesn't have any type of shakes or shimmies in it. Cabin is really quiet. You do have blind spot monitoring here on the side mirror, and I just noticed there is a light scuff on the glass on that side mirror. You probably can't see it, it's very, very subtle. Seats are super comfy. I mean, this is absolutely gorgeous. If I had to look at this interior and just kind of walk around, I would think this thing probably had 20,000 miles on it, maybe. It's kind of getting on it a little bit. Not all the way, but just enough to kind of get up and go. Has plenty of power. No complaints with the drivability. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on that wheel, has a really pretty finish to it. I don't see any curb rash. Date code on the tires, 2024, 225, 65, 17. There's a lot of tread left. Michelin Defender 2s, very nice tire, beautiful wheel. Looking at the paint, gorgeous metallic black here. Typical swirls, kind of from everyday washing, little things like that. That A-pillar looks good. Here on the side mirror, you're gonna have a couple spots where bugs have splattered onto it and kind of etched into the clear. But overall, still a beautiful mirror. That lens looks good. Looking at the door, overall in great condition. I do see a scratch right here and some light scuffs. That looks nice. Got a little spot on the paint here. It's not a chip. Looking at that, we got a little scratch there, a couple little scuffs. That's in great condition. Here on that wheel, once again, that looks beautiful. Great looking tires, tons of tread left. Got the front parking sensors. Now when we look at that front end, of course, with the mileage, you're gonna have rock chips and little impacts there. Here is a larger scratch on the hood. Grill looks good. You get up close, you're gonna see these little impacts and little flaws. Fender looks nice. That wheel's in great condition. Once again, great tires. Side mirror, typical little scuffs, little impacts. A-pillar looks good. You got the sunroof there. No window tint here. Some light scuffs, probably from fingernails and little things like that. Got a chip there, a really small ding right here, if you can see that. It's very subtle. A couple little rock chips on the bottom. Little chip there. For the most part though, for the mileage, this thing is absolutely gorgeous. That wheel looks good. Beautiful paint. The taillight's clean. That taillight looks good. I do see some damage right here. There is a crease right there. It looks like something kind of hit it and then chipped it. Other than that, these few little scuffs and scratches, it's in great condition. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker, and it is really, really nice. That leather's very soft. Love the brown accents. Buttons all are in great condition. That trim looks good. A little bit of storage here. Typical scuffs from getting in and out. Got the really nice Lexus all-weather mats. Looking at that bolster, that looks good. A little crease right here. That edge is really nice. You would never know this car had the miles that it does looking at this interior. Really, really nice. A couple light scuffs on the edges. Buttons look good. That's clean. That looks nice. A couple light scuffs there. Got the power steering column, so you can adjust that. Blind spot monitoring. Auto high beams. Heated steering wheel. Push button start, of course. That looks good. I do see a crack in the glass. That looks nice. Got the sport mode and eco mode. Beautiful console. Very impressed with the interior. You would never know it had the miles that it does based on the condition. All right, here on this door panel, that upper section looks good. Buttons here are nice and clean. I do see a marking. Almost looks like a pin. Got a hold of that. Got some storage in here. And here we have a small ding there and there. Got the all-weather mats. Those look really nice. Here on that bolster. Looks amazing. Super, super soft. Very little wear there. A couple small markings. But other than that, that seat looks good. Nice and clean here on the glove box. A couple light scuffs. Upper section though, looking at the dash, the trim, all of that's in great condition. Got the sunroof with the shade. Really nice over here. Looks like no one really sat on this side. Here on that door panel, I do see a little scratch across the plastic right there. Got a little storage cubby. Nice looking speaker. All-weather mats. Looking at that seat. Really, really nice. Beautiful seats. Right here on this door panel, that looks good. I don't see any flaws that stand out. All that trim looks good. A couple spots in here, that's just in the perforated hole, so if you kind of poke that out, it'll go away. Looks like a little piece of dirt or something. Other than that, that seat, really, really nice. I'm not seeing any other flaws there. All right, checking out the engine bay. Very clean. All of that's in great condition. Really, really nice. That liner's super clean. Underside the hood. That looks good.